Hi guys, my name is Cheri and I have a website. It's a food blog and it is called cookswellwithothers.com. And I started that website to share with you guys the recipes for the meals that I make for my family each week. I absolutely love cooking and I love sharing it with you. And I hope that it's helpful for you to give you some new dinner ideas to try each week. If that's something that you're interested in, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are always notified every time I post some new recipes to share with you. This week we have all quick and easy meals. I have a super busy week this week. I have some conferences for my kids. We have football practice. I work full time. So we all need some quick and easy meals to get us through those extra busy weeks. So here we go with this week's easy dinner recipes for you. The first one is a slow cooker recipe. It is salsa ranch tacos. Just a few ingredients into the slow cooker that you can start before you go to work. Shred it all up and then serve it with all of your favorite taco toppings. And then we also have air fryer everything bagel dogs. I just bought the everything bagel seasoning from the store. Wrap up the hot dogs in crescent rolls, throw them in the air fryer, and dinner is done. And then another one is blackened catfish with an Old Bay aioli. The Old Bay aioli is absolutely easy to make and insanely delicious. And it goes perfect with the blackened catfish. And then we also have some Asian steak bites with yum yum sauce. You can chop up the steak the night before and marinate it in the fridge. And then just a few quick minutes in the skillet and dinner is ready with that amazing yum yum sauce. So have a great week, guys, and I'll be back next week to share some more dinner ideas for you.